Hello mommies to be and daddies too. In today's video, we will discuss about the things you should know before packing your hospital bag, and then when to pack your hospital bag, what things you need to put in your hospital bag, everything about it. So first we'll start with few things you should know before packing your hospital bag. First thing you need to check with your doctor is your hospital policy regarding the number of days of stay. So हर हॉस्पिटल का अलग अलग रहता है एंड ऑल्सो इट डिफर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन एंड द टाइप ऑफ डिलीवरी. सो यूजुअली क्या होता है, नॉर्मल डिलीवरी में दे विल मेक यू स्टे फॉर 1 or 2 days एंड सिजेरियन में 2 to 4 days. So you need to check with your doctor what is your hospital's policy. Second thing is, since we don't know whether the delivery will be normal or cesarean unless you have planned for a cesarean, इट्स बेटर टू प्लान फॉर द लॉन्गर नंबर ऑफ डेज. तो अगर आपकी हॉस्पिटल की ये पॉलिसी है कि नॉर्मल डिलीवरी के लिए दे विल मेक यू स्टे फॉर 2 days और सिजेरियन के लिए 3 days, बेटर टू प्लान फॉर 3 days, ताकि अगर आपका घर बहुत दूर है तो आपको ये आने जाने का और ये उस टाइम पे ये सब छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स ना हो. सो टू अवॉइड ऑल दीज थिंग्स इट्स बेटर टू प्लान फॉर द लॉन्गर नंबर ऑफ डेज. Second important thing is you need to check with your hospital that what things they will be providing. क्योंकि क्या होता है, कुछ hospitals में they provide lot of things to you. So like my delivery was in Cloud9. So they provided lot of things, like lot of baby product, baby bath shampoo and all they provided. So it was my failure कि मैंने उनसे पहले नहीं पूछा था ये. So you should inquire with your hospital the things they will be providing, so that either you tell them not to give all those things or you don't buy them separately. Third thing is, if you're watching my video today when there is an outbreak of coronavirus outside, you need to discuss with your doctor the precautions you need to take and before entering the hospital and also after the baby is born. तो आपको अपने hospital bag में मास्क, सैनिटाइजर्स, ग्लव्स, ये चीज़ें ज़रूर रखनी है और जो भी आपके डॉक्टर बोलेगा वो चीज़ें आपको कैरी करनी है. So when you need to pack your hospital bag, you should keep your hospital bag ready as soon as you reach your 37th week. क्योंकि उसके बाद डिलीवरी कभी भी हो सकती है, इसलिए कीप योर बैग रेडी व्हेन यू रीच द 37th वीक. सो नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी नीड टू पैक इन अ हॉस्पिटल बैग. So first we will discuss about mother and then about the baby. So for mother you need your clothes, maternity gowns, a sweater if there is a cold weather, and otherwise also if you are near to the cold weather तब भी आप स्वेटर ज़रूर रखें, because हॉस्पिटल में AC होता है तो उससे आपको ठंड लग सकती है. तो स्वेटर, शॉल and socks, your clothes, maternity and feeding gowns. Then next few things are that if you have planned for a newborn shoot which is done inside the hospital only, then you have to keep an outfit for it. Or if you have planned for an homecoming event, then you have to keep an outfit for your homecoming event. Most important, if you have an insurance, then your insurance documents, whatever the checklist has been given by the insurance company or your hospital, you need to keep all those documents ready. And your pregnancy file, you need to keep your entire file with you so that doctor can go through it whenever it is required. And also if there is any another doctor or the duty doctors and all, they would be able to see your history. So in the end I will give you the list also so that you can put a tick that what all you have packed in your bag. So now we will come to baby. So most important things for baby are baby clothes, which includes baby t-shirts, baby cloth nappies, baby diapers, baby mittens, baby socks, baby cap, baby blanket, baby wrap, baby towel, baby bibs and baby products. So they give birth to the baby the next day itself when the baby is born. So you need to keep baby products also. लेकिन मैं आपको क्या एडवाइस करूँगी, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता कि कौन सी ब्रांड बेबी को सूट करेगी नहीं करेगी. सो डोंट बाय बिगर बॉटल्स. जो भी आप प्रोडक्ट्स ले रहे हैं उसकी स्मॉलेस्ट बॉटल लें, बिकॉज दैट विल सफाइज फॉर यू फॉर फ्यू डेज. एंड देन लेटर इफ यू सी कि ये ठीक है बेबी को सूट कर रहा है, देन यू कैन बाय बिगर बॉटल्स. So buy smallest bottles of all the products. Next, if you have planned for the newborn shoot, you need to keep a dress for the baby also for the shoot. And also if you have planned for the homecoming event, then you should keep one set for homecoming event as well. अब इसमें you need to check with your hospital कि वो लोग क्या क्या चीज़ें देंगे. तो मोस्टली वो लोग बेबी प्रोडक्ट्स, डाइपर्स, ये सारी चीज़ें हॉस्पिटल वाले कुछ हॉस्पिटल वाले प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो इफ़ दे आर गिविंग दीज थिंग्स देन यू कैन स्किप और यू कैन आस्क देम टू स्किप इट, ताकि आप उनको बोल सकते हैं कि नो आई विल बाय एवरीथिंग ऑन माई ओन, यू प्लीज डोंट इंक्लूड ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन योर पैकेज. So this is all about hospital bag, the things you need to keep in, when to keep, and the points you need to keep in mind before packing your hospital bag. So I'll put the entire list at the end of the video. You can check the list. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.